All right, so this is my the individual portion of my project for the Algodo project, and I did it on a projectile motion problem. First of all, the problem is Shane is standing on top of a building, 6 meters tall, and throws a baseball to Ryan. Ryan catches the ball 18.6 meters from the building, 2.7 seconds after Shane throws the ball. Treat the baseball as an ideal projectile. What was the speed with which Shane threw the ball? So finding that without Algodo first, you would use the constant acceleration and initial conditions equations, which you would find the components, and the component equations right here. So the y component equation, you have the final position equaling the initial position plus the y component speed, or the velocity components of y times time plus a half times the acceleration. In this case, it's gravity times time squared, and then the x component equation, which is final position final x position equaling the initial x position plus the time times the velocity, the initial velocity of the x component. And then you plug in these numbers, and then you get 11.02 for the y component and 6.89 for the velocity x component. And then you use the components to find the initial velocity, which initial velocity equals component squared. And then you get 12.9966 with these numbers. So to demonstrate this in Algodo, set up this building, which is 6 meters tall, as you can see, and then it's 18.6 meters away from this point right here, and this is just demonstrating Ryan in this building, and the ball, where the ball is demonstrating Shane throwing the ball. And so the ball launches. When you play the simulation, the ball launches and it reaches the position right here. And it shows you the speed. So the speed here is 12.3, which is pretty close to 12.99. So the Algodo simulation shows you hypothetical equations. All right. So that is my project.